everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off background music in Lloyd's Mobile. To turn off background music in Lloyd's Mobile, first of all open up Lloyd's Mobile application on your device and wait for the main screen to load. Once you're inside this home page, tap the gear icon at the bottom right, and this will open up the Others menu. From the Others menu, tap on Settings. Now from the Settings option, tap on the music note icon and the speaker icon. Make sure that the tick mark is gone from the box, and once you do that, you will be able to disable sound effect and background music. Now you can enjoy your battles in peace or play your own music in the background while building your empire. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.